हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज़ तिलक सर एंड यू आर वाचिंग टीएस इंग्लिश। अगर चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो अभी चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए टू गेट द लेटेस्ट अपडेट अबाउट द वीडियोस। Today we are going to learn something very important, and that is fillers. This is a video for those people who can speak English, but in the between when you are speaking, you take some pauses. So when you are taking pauses, you should not just be blank. You should use some fillers. Fillers are really very important to make your English or even Hindi look better. If you are even speaking in Hindi, I suggest you should start using these fillers. This will make your language, make your communication skills much more impressive. So fillers are used to fill up the gap between the sentences. होता क्या है when somebody is asking about your opinion, okay, asking your opinion about politics, about this, about that, at that time you don't have all the thoughts ready in your mind. So I suggest at that time you should use a filler to get some time to think or collect the opinion or collect views, and this is very useful. This look very attractive too. Suppose, let me give you an example. Somebody asked me, what is politics? What do you think about politics? And I don't have anything to say. I don't have words. So what I can do is that I can say, politics is really very dirty, and those people who enter into politics, they also start doing dirty politics. So when I said I thought, what do I have to say? So when you use these words, you get time to think. So whenever you need time to think, you can use these words, and it looks very attractive. Even while speaking Hindi, if you use and all these fillers, so it looks very attractive. So you can use to get some time for thinking. The next is and suppose somebody asks me, what do you think about this corona pandemic? So I can say, corona pandemic is really very crucial, and the government is taking measures, but we should also take care of ourselves, because immunity is really very important. So I can say and while I say I collected some points and then I spoke up. Okay, again the next thing you can say you see. It has no meaning. These fillers don't have any meaning. So when somebody asks you about what do you think about technology, so I don't have any view right now, so I can say technology plays a very important role in our life. So देखिए बात ऐसी है. So you see doesn't have any meaning, but just when you needed time to think it, by using you could get that time to think. Exactly, आपको समय मिल जाता है सोचने के लिए. So these can be used in the beginning of the sentences to get some time to think. So and you see, 3 have been done. Now tell me something. When you want to ask a question to somebody, at that time you can use before asking a question, and you are not having a question in your mind. आपको समय लगेगा क्वेश्चन सोचने में. So आप कह सकते हैं, tell me something. What is your opinion about 21st century, and what is your opinion? What do you think about this present government? So tell me something. एक बात बताइए. What do you think about this present government? So tell me something is another way to get some time to think of a question. Now, to be honest, again you don't have any view in your mind, any opinion. Your mind is just blank, and somebody asks your opinion. He asked, what do you think about English? So you can say, to be honest, English is a language, and English can be used in our day-to-day life, and it is a very good medium of communication. Okay, now the next question is basically. This is also used in the same way. I can use about English only. Basically, English is a language. It is originated in England, and English people speak English, but nowadays it is an international language. So basically is another way how you can get time to think. जब आपको सोचने का समय चाहिए, तब आप basically कह सकते हैं tell me. Okay, when you are asking a question to somebody, you can say tell me, what is your opinion about that? Tell me, where do you live? आप रहते कहाँ हैं? Tell me, what is your problem? आपकी problem क्या है? Okay, tell me is done. Now you can say honestly speaking. Suppose somebody asks you, what is your opinion about today's kids? You can say, honestly speaking, today's kids are very smart. They know many things in advance. They can operate mobile phones, which you cannot use as well. Okay, they can use cell phones better than you. So honestly speaking, that is another very good starting structure which you can use in the beginning, and after that you can give your opinion. Let's see, देखते हैं. Okay, so if you are not having any view and you are talking about something, and you can say, let's see what happens, but I have to say one thing, that this should be done or this should not be done. So let's see, देखते हैं. It can be used in the middle, or let me think. Okay, if somebody asks you again, what do you think about politics, so you can say, let me think. Politics is really very good thing. Because of politics only so many things are happening in our country. They make policies, and because of those policies our country is improving or advancing or developing. So, well, you see, tell me something. Okay, to be honest, and basically tell me, honestly speaking, let's see and let me think. There are many more fillers which you can use. In the next videos, I will upload the next video of this segment, fillers, and I will tell you about some more fillers which you can use in your day-to-day life and fill up the gaps when you are not having any view in your mind, or when you don't have any thoughts. So that's all about today and this video. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe my channel and like and share this video. Thank you very much.